Hello, my name is Isaac Tekle, and this is for my CSC 110 Winter 2019 for Mr. Wellman's class. And I'll be doing the Chapter 2 Take-Home Quiz Example 1, 2, and 3. So the first thing I did was a sum accumulator of 0, which is the starting number. And for n in the range of 1, 102, 2, which is a loop that runs what's inside. So it runs the range that starts from 1 to 101, increasing by 2 for every number. Then did the sum accumulator equals the sum accumulator plus n. This will add n to the sum that we get. And then I did print 1 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus 101 plus string sum accumulator, which this line will end up making my integer into a string, so it becomes a string plus a string, so it can run. And when we run this, we would get the answer, 2601. For example 2, it's like the same thing. So what I did was set the sum accumulator to equal 0. And for n in the range 1, 102, 2. So which give us the starting number, the n number, and the amounts going up. Then I had sum accumulator equals sum accumulator plus 1 over n. So this makes whatever output I get here, n, to be over 1. So it makes this become a fraction. Then have print 1 over 1 plus 1 over 3 plus dot 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 1 over 101 equal string of sum accumulator, which makes the string make this a string plus another string. And if we run this, we get 2.9476. In example 3, what I ended up doing was import turtle, what adds a turtle to my program. Then did def of square t, which defines a line of code I can use later. And then for n in the range of 4, so this makes a shape with 4 sides pretty much. Then t dot forward 100 and t dot left. So pretty much it goes forward 100, then it'll take a 90 degrees turn to the left. Then did def line of square t. So pretty much it'll make another function with holds the other square function that we made earlier. So this one right here. And then for n in the range of 3. So this one will pretty much will do this 3 times. And then had square of t. So it's pretty much like a placeholder variable. Then this pretty much t pen up, then it'll move forward 100, make a left 90 degrees, then it'll move forward again 100, make a right 90 degrees, then it'll put the pen down. So pretty much this will open the wn equals turtle screen, will open a turtle screen, and then my turtle is named thing. And pretty much this last function will make the turtle do my whole function. And if we run this, we will get the result we were looking for. Thank you.